Welcome to the hyperconnected workplace. More people, creating and consuming more data, and relying on tens of billions of connected devices, sensors, and systems, many deployed at the network's edge. Far from the nearest telecom room, they need bandwidth and power. And that's not the only challenge. Our networks are also diversifying. IT, OT, IoT, and IIoT, segmented and converged. The network infrastructure is being asked to support it all. We're also in the midst of a labor shortage. We must find ways to design, deploy, and manage the network faster and with fewer skilled workers. All the while, the global climate crisis hangs over our heads. Lowering the network's carbon footprint requires more than eco-friendly packaging. It's time to rethink the enterprise network, from architecture and design to installation and management. CommScope has. Welcome to Constellation, a unified power and data platform with a radically simplified, edge-based architecture specifically designed for the hyperconnected enterprise. The traditional LAN network has served us well, but the hyperconnected enterprise reveals its limitations. For starters, its structured cabling design uses copper, which is distance limited when it comes to data and power. Devices must be within 100 meters of the nearest telecom room. It also requires highly skilled labor to install and manage, and uses a substantial amount of mined materials, nor is it well suited to support diverse network architectures and distributed applications like building automation. Constellation solves these problems and more. Constellation's distributed star topology divides the building into multiple service areas. Each area is served with a single constellation point in each service area. Hybrid fiber power cables run from the main equipment room to each compact ceiling-mounted constellation point. Using the new fault-managed power technology, the hybrid cables reach up to 500 meters, 5 times the distance, and deliver 1 kilowatt, 10 times the power of traditional network cabling to each constellation point, eliminating the need for a telecom room on every floor, and within 100 meters from your farthest device. Each constellation point has multiple AC power outlets, as well as 48-volt DC and 24-volt DC connections to power PoE switches, BAS controllers, ERA distributed antenna systems, and more. Pre-terminated Cat6a cable assemblies run from the PoE switches in the constellation point to a variety of endpoint devices. Cameras, wireless access points, PoE lights, you name it. With up to 16 fiber strands and 1 kilowatt of power, each constellation point easily supports as many as 50 network devices. All this translates into a highly flexible and capable infrastructure that's ideal for the hyperconnected enterprise. It's mobile edge compute ready with near zero latency. It's network agnostic, supporting active Ethernet, PON, and building automation controllers, as well as segmented or converged IT and OT systems. As networks expand and cable pathways become more congested, Constellation requires a much smaller physical footprint. Design, installation, and management are easier too. Constellation installs in about half the time compared to a traditional structured cable LAN. Most changes occur at the Constellation point, so day 2 operations are easier, requiring fewer truck rolls. It also supports power and data for building automation and OT devices, increasing the utility of your infrastructure, all of which makes Constellation inherently more sustainable as well. For starters, it uses an average of 55% less copper and 65% less plastic than a traditional LAN. Its compact, ceiling-based design reduces the need and environmental impact of building out additional space. With near unlimited bandwidth and bulk power and modular design, Constellation supports multiple network upgrades with fewer parts to help lower your overall carbon footprint. In today's hyperconnected world, your network is the central nervous system of the enterprise. It must grow and adapt as your applications, technologies, and business needs change. Constellation provides the flexibility, efficiency, and sustainability to guide you forward. To learn more about Constellation, contact your CommScope account manager.
콤스코프로 구성하고 IBS 시스템으로 통합하고 스마트 데이터 센터로 연결하고 이 모든 것을 IBS텍과 함께합니다.
IBStech.